Everyone thought the danger was Trump. It wasn't the man, it was the reaction. Statement reversal with contradiction, market swing, crowds rage, money moves while attention stayed trapped in outrage. Someone else traded the power. This is bigger than politics. Geopolitics uses the same weapon to keep people emotional, and they stop seeing structure. The crowd follows noise. The disciplined follow incentives. That's where the money went. You were watching the theater. They were taking positions while you worried. Big decision. While you dreamed, they moved. That's the game. Buy the noise. So, before you wake up late, pay full price.